Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your Binance email address on your mobile phone. Change your Binance email address on your mobile phone. First of all, you have to open the Binance app and log into your account using your credentials. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then you scroll down and tap on security from the drop down menu. Next, find the email section and tap on change. Then enter your new email address in the provided field, re-enter it again to confirm, and then you will receive a verification code in your new email address. Copy and paste that verification code into the desired field, and then in your Binance app, then tap on submit to confirm the email address change. That is it. Your Binance email address will be successfully changed. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.